Hi, my name is Anna Matthews, and this is my creation project. So, the name of the restaurant that I created is called the Health Bar, and it's affordable and delicious healthy food for college students. The vision of the Health Bar is that it serves cheap and healthy food, which I think is a great idea because college students are living on a budget and need something healthy to eat every now and then, so this is a great option. And the reason bar is in the title of the restaurant is because it also serves alcohol, which I think would be a hit for any college student that's 21 or older. And so I wanted to have a similar atmosphere of a sports bar, except it serves healthier options. And so it would have a relaxed environment with regular tables, but also couches. And we would also have game nights, such as where we did trivia or maybe open mic nights or something like that. And so college students or anyone really on a budget could afford to eat here. And the location would be on King Street where the law firm is. So for the menu, I wanted it to represent a good variety of different styles of food. So the first thing is a loaded vegetable baked potato, which is cheap to make and we could use local vegetables. And then the spicy boon gyro, which is like Greek Mediterranean, which is really healthy. $8 for chicken or falafel, $9 for steak. And then a simple soup and salad combo for $7. And then this one is my favorite. It's better than dorm ramen, so a healthy version of the ramen that everyone eats in dorms. And then mom's cooking, which would be chicken or falafel for $8, $10 for steak with two local vegetable sides, and then a local vegetable plate for $6. And then as far as drinks, local draft beer would range from $5 to $6 depending on the brewery. Bottled domestic beer for $2.50, local wines $7 for a glass, $24 for a bottle, and then regular fountain drinks $2. And so our CSR initiatives would be, as you can see in the menu, buying as much local as possible. There's so many farms around Boone and there's so many options that are great. And so that's why it's such a big part of the menu. And for environmental initiatives, we would compost any of our food waste instead of just throwing it in the trash. And then any food that's not acceptable to serve but can still be eaten, we would donate to homeless shelters such as the Hospitality House or the food pantry on campus. And then we would also invest in environmental friendly HVAC systems as an initiative. So that's it. That's the Health Bar.